So let's get a start demo first of Vue.js application, which is created by a Copilot agent. And here this application got running over here, and see over here this this default application got created along with the student list component got also created, which have all that functionality. Like for example, if I add that new student, for example, new student and grade is 5, and add. So once we add, the new now data got created over here. Even if I want to delete the data, it's got deleted as well. And if I want to add, so add also. So this is one of that application got created using that Copilot agent, which is free right now. Okay, and this agent also can understand everything, actually the technology and all, and they are suggesting based on that whatever that official documentation. So they will take in care and they will create from everything from us. Okay, so so let's get start the implementation. Before implementation, I especially recommend, if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel, which is .NET Real World Example. And I just used that this free Copilot using that Visual Studio. And there are many applications I just got created, like see, any application can created with Visual Studio for .NET Blazor application on other .NET MAUI application. So those are things I just prepare here. But yeah, now I just come with this new in VS Code as well, with that agent, Copilot agent, how they can create an application. Okay, so yeah, let's moving to implementations. Open a browser, look for VS Code Insider. This is one, and this is the official website over here. So if I look for over here, so VS Code code.visual.com Insider. This is another one, VS Code. So one is that stable one is one that insider one. So which is allow actually that agent. So that's why we have to require to install this Visual Studio Code Insider. And for looking for whatever that your operating system, so my operating system for Windows, so I'll just looking for that Windows and just install my place, and let's wait for installation. So once completed, open that location folder, and see here you are able to see it is a green icon, but whatever that is stable one, that is actually blue icon. So just make sure it should be a green icon, and just double click on that and just accept. Next, install, finish. So now it's got open. Now my VS Code Insider actually installed and open over here. And when you first time open, so you will see it is asking to set up your Copilot to free, right? So there is a two option. Either you can miss that part, so you can go to directly over here and you can set up over here, right? But yeah, I'll just do for here setup. Let me set up that. And once you click the setup, now see is asking for here Copilot, right? So just use that sign in Copilot for free. And once you click over here, definitely it will go to it will signing actually that your GitHub link, right? So parallelly it is got opened over here. See, it's got open. So let me just sign in for this, then come back to here. So once you authenticate it done in the using the browser, so it is just try to set up over here. Now finally over here, see, I'm able to see that Copilot Copilot agent over here. And here I'm able to see this few of that models over here. So I'll just choose GPT-4, Omni, and Gemini or Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. So I'll just use that 3.5 Sonnet over here, right? And let me little more over here. And here yeah, so one thing actually missing over here, so that is agent. So where is that agent? Okay, now see, there's a two screen, right? Two system over here. One is the chat editor, one is the chat new window, right? So I'll just use the chat editor, because see, this is a simple one, but editor I have to use the editor one. So which is that guy? So over here, now see, is the editor one. And in here now see, again it have few options, like where is the edit options, where is the models, right? Which model if you want. So I'll just use that sonnet. And as well as now see, there's a options like as agent and edit, right? So I'll just use that agent. So this is that new feature in this VS Code Insider that is not actually available in our normal stable VS Code. So that's why I just installed this guy. And here what I will do, I'll just try. Okay, so now it's nothing is created, right? So what I will do, I'll just create a folder and then we will open it. And after that we'll ask actually to create any client side application, so that we can see how actually that agent actually to create a new application without see the any documentation and all. Okay, so what I will do, so go to any particular locations, right? So for example it is project, and inside this project let me create a folder. The name is like, okay, first Vue app, right? Using Copilot, I think that's fine, like, but yeah. Okay, so go to that insider and just open cmd. And I don't think so it can directly open, because there is a two options, right? So what I will do, simply just copy this guy and just open to over here. So over here, yeah, just choose that your folder, open folder, choose here that folder and select the folder. That's it. Okay, yeah, just trust it over there, that's fine. And just click that Copilot, yeah, this edit one. Okay, and now we have to use a folder over here, so that whatever application I want to create it, so that could be created inside that folder. Okay, and also make sure choose that agent and whatever model you want. Okay, so let me little more, or just close this guy. Okay, so yeah, I'll just ask to a prompt. So create a Vue.js application, right? Yeah, applications, and run, right, in the current directory. Okay, so I'll ask the prompt to that agent. Okay, so I'll just create a one applications. I specify the application, what kind of application I want to create, and run in this current directory. And make sure that use that agent and whatever model you have to use. But yeah, I will use that this guy, but yeah, later on I'll check other model as well, large language model. So let to hit that. Okay, enter that and see how they create a new application for the Copilot agent for me. Okay, so now see, first they just try to create that Vue npm package. So continue that. Once you continue, see, automatically open a terminal over here. And in this terminal, they asking few questions over here. Yeah, what is the project name? So whatever the project name you want, you can keep it, but yeah, I'll use the default one. And if you want to type a script, I will use the type script, and then rest of things no. Okay, so by default I taking this guy. Okay, so once you done, so they will give me another suggestion. Okay, now see, another suggestion they will provide me. Okay, so I have to go to that particular root directory, right? So this is my root directory, and then we have to install that packages. Okay, so once you continue, now see, I'm getting error just because see, this double and operator is not working in this terminal. So that's why this is a problem. So what they will suggest it again, so now they will split this two command one by one. So first I have to go to that particular command. So go to that particular particular project, right? And then okay, now actually my project name is this Vue.project, right? So they are initially thinking is wrong, so now again they just corrected. Okay, now my project name would be this guy. So once I continue, now see, I am just moving to that project perfectly, there's a no error. And now finally they asking to just install that npm packages. So just install that whatever that dependency on this package. Now see, whatever that application got created, definitely we have the dependencies, right? So whatever the dependencies npm install, they will handle and they will install all that packages inside this project. Okay, now see, that node modules got created and whatever the packages we required, they got now installed inside that node module. And then now another option they provide. Okay, so Copilot actually working in this problem and all something. Now you want to continue, yes, just proceed to continue to run this application. Now see, once you run this application, means once you continue, so they asking, okay, simply what you need to do, you have to just fire this command, okay, npm run deb. Okay, so let me just click that, continue this guy. So once you continue, see, it is opening another terminal, right? And now I'm getting some error. So what is that error? See, this is not error actually. If you closely observe over here, so whatever my project actually got created inside this root directory, we have another name is project is called, now see, this is the directory, right? So this is my main directory. Inside we have just created, another another project name, right? So that's why actually it is little confused. So what you need to do, simply you have to go to here, you have to go to that, that particular project, right, first. So let me go to that views that project, continue that, right? But it is, see, every time once I continue, so once I continue, it is going, okay, see, there's a problem, right? Because see, it is not working this AND operator. So again, just continue, and once you continue, now npm run deb will be appearing. Okay, now see, it is again going, it is giving that another solution. You can directly go to this, d project and all, right? So let me just continue, and yeah, now I am in this current directory. There's a no error. Okay, now see, they asking to, okay, just run this command. Okay, continue this command. Okay, but yeah, this is a problem actually. So once I run, run dep command, say they are opening actually new terminal, right? So that is a problem actually. So this, it's not handling by this guy. But yeah, what I will do, I'll just show you, like my application got created, which is successfully running. So let me go to that terminal over here, not this guy, not this guy also, this guy only, right? Because see, we are that current directory also, like first Vue app and then Vue project. Inside you can just simply use this command and run, and see, now application got running. Click on that and you are able to see your application successfully running, right? So the agent actually here, the little confused over here, like they always actually run from that scratch, like in the root directory. So might be I just created, the different architecture over here, like I'll use this folder and then I'll just create another project. So that's why I think they are little confused. But yeah, if I just skip this folder, so definitely it should be fine, right? So that also I can just prove it. What I can do, if I just move all that folder to in this the root directory, so that would be fine also, right? But yeah, that's fine. I think that's a good, right? So let me see how actually working that project. So it is perfectly working fine. There's a no error. If I refresh also, it's fine. So what I will do, I'll just ask to modify, actually customize this application, right? Also I'll just check that, okay, this agent can that customize that application or not. Like they are successfully created application very easily, right? There we don't require any official document and all. Okay, what are the command to create a new application, that, right? So they actually handling that agent. Okay, so now what I will do, so let me ask another command. Okay, let me just stop this application first. Okay, and then ask to or just let me create, or let me continue over here also. So can you create a student list in the current application, right? Yeah, just hit enter and see. Okay, now see what, once I ask to whatever things, right? So I just ask the prompt, okay, can you create a student list? Now see, they are creating two files, and also see in here, so that vue.js app.vue page, say they just create whatever the new component, they just initialize over here and just use this guy, right? And also they modify few things. And if I check this guy, so just create a new application, a new component over here, right? So what I will do, simply I can just accept, and this also just accept and done. Okay, so once you done, now I can see over here. Now see, once I student list over here, now see that student list got created very nice way, right? And just whatever that old things is over there, but yeah, they just created new one and just use it over here, and it is perfectly fine. Even see the delete functionality also is working. Even if I just add the new student, for example, test or grade, like suppose grade A1, right? Add this guy. Now see, add, delete, perfectly working fine. Even edit what is not working, but yeah, now that is great, right? So see, I'm nothing write any line of code, right? So they create an application for me. Even this agent can customize that application. So that's all for this session. And yeah, the one more things I recommend to you, like if you are getting any error and all for this particular, suppose you are creating this application, right, the Vue application. So most probably please take care, like update your uh, update your current version and all. Might be that could be an issue, but yeah, as of now i face I face some kind of issue, so that I did. But yeah, most probably it should not be happen. But yeah, if you getting any error of such kind of creating a problem, creating application for dependent on that latest version and all, please update your latest Node.js and npm and all. Okay, so that's all for this session. Upcoming session will try to create other technology, means other technology, like for example Angular, or other, like React.js and other client side application using this agent. So till now, thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.